Windows are more than just a source of light and ventilation. They play a significant role in defining the style, energy efficiency, and comfort of your home. For Bluffdale residents, choosing the right window style is essential to complement the area's architectural aesthetics and accommodate its climate. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading existing windows, this guide will help you navigate the most popular residential window styles available. Why window style matters. Selecting the right window style is about more than personal preference. Each design offers unique benefits in terms of function, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Here are some reasons why choosing the correct style is important for Bluffdale residences. Aesthetic harmony. Windows should match the overall architectural design of your home. Energy efficiency. Bluffdale's varying seasons make energy-efficient window styles a smart investment. Natural light and ventilation. Different window styles impact how much light and air enter your home. Popular window styles for Bluffdale homes. Let's explore some of the most common residential window styles and how they can enhance your Bluffdale residence. Double-hung windows. Double-hung windows are a classic choice for residential homes. They feature two sashes that slide vertically, allowing both the top and bottom to open. Advantages. Excellent ventilation control. Easy to clean, especially with tilt-in sashes. Suits traditional and modern home designs. Ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, and areas where flexibility is needed. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward like a door. They are operated using a crank, making them easy to use. Advantages. Provides excellent airflow when opened fully. Creates a tight seal when closed, improving energy efficiency. Unobstructed views due to the lack of multiple panes. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or areas where space is limited. Picture windows. Picture windows are fixed and do not open. They are designed to provide large, uninterrupted views and maximize natural light. Advantages. Offers a sleek, modern aesthetic. Improves energy efficiency since they do not have moving parts. Frames outdoor scenery beautifully. Ideal for living rooms, dining areas, or anywhere panoramic views are desired. Sliding windows. Sliding windows operate horizontally along a track. They are easy to open and close, making them a practical option. Advantages. Simple operation with minimal maintenance. Great for wide openings, offering expansive views. Cost-effective compared to other window types. Ideal for kitchens, bedrooms, and basements. Bay and bow windows. Bay windows project outward from the home, typically featuring 3 panels. Bow windows are similar but use 4 or more panels in a curved design. Advantages: adds architectural interest and expands indoor space. Maximizes natural light. Creates cozy seating or display areas. Ideal for living rooms, master bedrooms, or areas where natural light and extra space are desired. Awning windows. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, forming a weather-resistant awning when open. Advantages: perfect for areas prone to rain, as they can remain open during light showers. Energy efficient due to their tight seals. Small and versatile, fitting into compact spaces. Ideal for bathrooms, basements, or areas requiring additional ventilation. Skylight. Skylights are installed on the roof, bringing in natural light from above. They're an excellent way to illuminate spaces without traditional windows. Advantages: brightens areas that lack wall space for windows. Enhances energy efficiency by reducing the need for artificial lighting. Adds a luxurious touch to interiors. Ideal for bathrooms, hallways, and attic spaces. Factors to consider when choosing window styles. Bluffdale homeowners should consider the following when selecting the perfect window style. Climate. Opt for energy-efficient designs that reduce heat loss in winter and block heat in summer. Orientation. Consider the sun's path when positioning windows to optimize natural light and reduce energy costs. Ventilation needs. Some rooms benefit from windows designed for airflow, like casement or awning windows. Maintenance. Double-hung and sliding windows are easier to clean compared to more complex styles like bay windows. Budget. While some designs may cost more upfront, energy-efficient windows can save money in the long run. Window materials to enhance durability. In addition to style, the material of the window frame plays a crucial role in its performance. Vinyl. Affordable, low maintenance, and energy efficient. Wood. Timeless and elegant, but requires regular maintenance. Aluminum. Lightweight and durable but less energy efficient without thermal breaks. Fiberglass. Extremely durable and energy efficient, ideal for Bluffdale's varying climate. Conclusion. Choosing the perfect residential window style for your Bluffdale home is about balancing aesthetics, functionality, and energy efficiency. Whether you prefer the classic appeal of double-hung windows, the sleek design of casement windows, or the expansive views of picture windows, there's a style to suit every need. By considering factors like climate, ventilation, and budget, you can find windows that enhance your home's comfort and value. For Bluffdale residences, partnering with local window professionals ensures you get high-quality, tailored solutions that last for years to come. Take the first step toward transforming your home with windows that blend beauty and practicality seamlessly.